Today we will be talking about the present and past simple forms of the verb to be. So let's get started. The present simple speaks about now.
In the present simple, the first person singular form I is used with am, and the third person singular forms he, she, and it are used with is.
Let's have a look at the examples. I am happy. He is happy. She is happy. And it is happy. In these sentences, we are talking about the feeling happy. With the present simple, we can talk about many different feelings. For example, I am bored. He or she is excited. And it is sad. Now, let's have a look at the past simple was. Was is the past tense of the verb to be, and the past simple speaks about the past. For example, yesterday, last week, or last month, and is also used with the singular forms I, he, she, and it. Let's have a look at the examples. I was happy. He was happy. She was happy. And it was happy. Now, let's have a look at the past simple were. Were is not used with singular forms. I, he, she, and it. Were is used with the plural forms you, we, and they. For example, you were happy. We were happy. They were happy. Let's have a look at the examples. You were bored. We were excited. They were sad.